Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Well, this morning, I got a little leftovers, some green beans, eating on a cinnamon biscuit, and I'm eating on a breakfast bowl. I'm eating weird this morning. I ain't pregnant. I'm just eating a weird, eating some weird shit this morning. How everybody day going? I hope everybody day going good. Probably this is probably all I'm gonna eat today. This is weird. What I'm green beans, cinnamon biscuit, and a breakfast bowl. It's a weird combination. Yeah, I hope everybody Valentine's was good yesterday. I didn't do nothing. I just cooked me a meal. That's about it. Yeah, I love green beans. I just put them plastic little bowl I had. Cause I order bowls and stuff online and stuff. So I just had a little bit, so I put it in this. I put too much seasoning on my chicken. Yesterday I done some fried lemon pepper chicken. And so once I got finished with the chicken, I put the lemon pepper up on there. So I already put my other little seasons and stuff on it while it was raw, I put my seasonings on it. But I said next time I do that, I'm not gonna put no seasonings on the chicken because see my batter, the flour batter was by Louisiana chicken seasoning. I had that batter, and then along with me putting lemon pepper on top, it was salty. So I'm gonna do it different next time. Not put no seasonings at all until it's fried, because I'm gonna be using the Louisiana batter that's seasoned already. The skin and stuff. Then I'm gonna put that lemon pepper on top of that. That's how I'm gonna do it next time. I'm not gonna season. I just done too much. I overdid it. And my chicken was good. It was good, but just salty as hell. I said, Lord have mercy. I said, I'm up here over seasoning, so I'm gonna stop doing that. It's the second time I ever did that while I was cooking and everything. Don't do that no more. No, don't do that no more. I want to cook me some Sunday. I'm thinking about doing some turkey wings, some baked turkey wings. Because I bought some. I got like 2 turkey legs. They are good size. And I didn't pay nothing but like $5 and something. I bought 2 packages. Then I got some turkey necks. So I don't know which one I'm going to do. But Sunday, I'm going to cook me a meal.
Opzelura can lower your ability to fight infections, including TB or hepatitis B or C. Serious lung infections.
I just like this breakfast bowl from Walmart. I've been getting it all the time since my daughter. She'd have told me about these, and I tried some of hers, and it was so good. So I've been getting them ever since for like a month and a half, about 2 months now. It might be, it's real, it's good. But you know, you put extra stuff. I put some extra cheese on it and everything. Sure did. I was gonna go to McDonald's and get me a sausage and biscuit, but I said I ain't even do that. I got me a breakfast bowl at home and save me some money. I'm gonna do a lot of eating at home now. I'm gonna stop going out so much, you know, to eat. That's the problem now, you know, with me. Eating out a lot. I'm gonna be in my kitchen more. My stove I barely use, you know. My mother said, "You doggone stove so clean." I said, "Cause I barely cook, you know." Either way it go. I did do a lot of cooking. They better believe my stove gonna be clean. I don't like no dirty stove, especially when I gotta show the public, you know, on social media. Sometimes I barely cook, you know, so it's gonna stay clean. Used to cook all the time, but you know, my son and daughter not here with me, you know, so I don't need to do all that cooking, you know. I try to cook once a week, and then I had a habit of cooking during the week, you know, a little bit. Like last week I did a Sunday dinner, like on a Tuesday or Wednesday. Cause see, the reason why, cause like some days with lupus, I gotta look like I gotta go around that it's scared, you know, around this schedule, cause I be, you know, sometimes sick in the morning, can't hardly move and stuff like that. I have my days with lupus, so that's the reason why I didn't cook on Sundays, you know, cause I be feeling bad and stuff like that, and I be in the bed all day. I go straight to the shower, and I go right back to that bed. I'm that weak. I mean, I be weak and I be in pain. I see y'all. I mean, people that see this video, y'all probably know about lupus. You know, they got it. You know what I'm talking about. It seems like after the treatments that I get, that's when it started kicking in, you know. I don't know why, but it have been doing that for the last few months, you know, since I started this injection. Because, you know, I'm on medication and I go get the injection. And I tell you, it ain't no joke. It is horrible. The worstest thing I ever can imagine. But, you know, cancer is worse. So it's similar to cancer, you know. But that's the worst thing I'd ever had to deal with. I had to deal with that for the rest of my life. But I still get around, you know. I have my days when I feel good and stuff. Like today, I'm all right. I'm gonna do a video later on of my Shein outfit, not lingerie, but I got a shirt, a bodysuit shirt from Shein, and I got some jeans from Temu. I hope I can wear it, but if y'all don't see the video, y'all already know what happened. I couldn't wear the jeans, but I'll do that later on. Sure is. This stuff's so good. You don't have to put no seasoning, no salt on it. Some people like they salt and pepper, but I ain't gotta have a lot of seasoning on mine, since I suffer from high blood pressure as well. I know yesterday I didn't have no business with all that salt in that chicken at all, but I did. I can't believe I'm drinking water, because I mostly like flavor water, but I got me some regular with some ice. I'm just in the mood for nothing but like drinking water. So I don't know if I'm dehydrated or what, but that's all I want is water. I'm like, what? Something new. I mean, this is the second time this to happen to me like this, so I don't know, you know. I drink nothing but water. I don't have a taste for soda pop or nothing. Like I said, I might be dehydrated or something. No. I don't drink water like that. And I've been doing it since last night. I don't know. And I'm not a diabetic. You know, that's what they say I'm not. So, I don't know. Because they said I was at borderline, you know. Could be at that borderline or something. They said like that. But I wasn't. They didn't just say you a diabetic, you know. That could be the problem. What do you want me to do with this? Also, you know, it could be multiple things, you know. But I just don't drink water like that, y'all. I really don't like water. I got to like do sparkling water all the time. Yeah. About it. Well, I'm gonna get off of here. I hope everybody have a good day today at their work or whatever they doing, you know. Hope God bless us all today. Y'all have a good day. God bless.